Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make AI images using Run Diffusion in 2025. Now, Run Diffusion is a browser-based tool that uses stable diffusion to create ultra-realistic images in seconds. So let's go through how you can generate the professional quality visuals easily. First of all, you need to come here on rundiffusion.com. Then you need to click on the option of login and you can continue here with the help of your Google or your email account. If you already have an account here, you just have to simply just provide your login credentials in order to log in into it. Now this is going to be your dashboard of Run Diffusion where you can just simply click on the option of images in order to come here on this page. Now by default it is going to give you some of the already generated images, so you can hover over to any of these and you can remix it. Basically you can create your own style based on the images that you see over here. In addition to it, you can just simply use this particular section in order to type your prompt here. You can also upload your image from your device and then it is automatically going to select the prompt from that. Now over here you can just simply click on this magic option and you can use it for enhancing your prompt, or you can make it default. After that we have the option of this dice where you can click and select the option of any random prompt which will be basically generated by AI. After that, in the resolution, you can select the resolution option and you can select whether you want it in the 9:16 or 16:19. Then we are going to see the option of settings where you can improve the steps or the quality. So you can increase or decrease this slider based on the type of image that you want. Now, once you are done, simply click on the option of run it. Then based on your prompt, it is going to be taking some time to generate the image for you. Now, once the image is generated, you can click on that, and if you like it, you can download that in your device very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.